On, guys. So it's the same video. It's wearing the same clothes. I'm just making another video because that was a 30-minute video. I was so excited to show you everything that I got that I didn't even show you this. I wanted to see this. I'm weird. I don't know. I don't want to open my stuff by myself. I want to open it with you guys and show you. I don't know. That's weird. That's weird, I guess. I am weird. Too weird to live and too rare to die. This is my life. The first history man. What is this? What is this? Oh, it's glued and taped. All right then. So what does this come with? What is this? This is the Deluxe. They got a bigger one than this. This is only a 42. They got a 62, I think, and that one's like a Supreme or Super. I don't even know. But this is the Deluxe. 42 piece, was it? Universal gun cleaning. So when it's universal, you get 3 rods for shotguns, 3 rods for rifles and pistols, 1 universal handle, 10 wire brushes to fit 12 gauge, 20 gauge, 410 gauge, 40 cal, 45 cal, 357 cal, 38, 22, 270, 280, and 30 cal. It comes with mops to fit 12, 20, 410, 357, etc., etc., 1922, all that. 3 adjustable for brushes, mops, 12 jacks, 2 slotted tips for shotgun and rifle pistols, 50 cleaning patches, which would be these. These are patches. I got more because I'm not just gonna be using only 50. And a real wooden box with flock tray. Oh shit! I didn't even know it was a flock tray. Like it's supposed to be suede. But yeah, that's what it looks like. Let's really look at it. That's what the back looks like. I wish. Why didn't they paint the back? Makes you want to freaking paint it. Wow, it's from 2019. This is an old one. I remember I was reading the paper. I got this off of eBay. This is from eBay. But yeah, this is the lot number 2019 of May 2019. It's hard for me to show you guys. This camera is retarded. Wow, it's super light. Yeah, they should have painted the bottom. Makes me want to paint the bottom now. Maybe I will one day. Really? Okay, let's first look at the box. Feels very cheap. I think if you sit on it, you freaking break it. Accessories you can build on. PTC 35 certified. TPC-37 certified. Whatever that means. Lock feels alright. Oops, something already fell out. Oh, the brushes. Oh wow, it gives you a little. Well, this is nice.